Hi, my name is Brenna Book and I'm the developer evangelist here at StreamSets. In this video series, we're talking about the moments where the value add of StreamSets becomes apparent. And in this video specifically, we're going to be talking about one of my favorite words, data governance. Let me show you how StreamSets can help teams with data governance. To begin with, when you create a pipeline, we'll do one together. Let's name this one data governance. You have the option in this screen to determine what permissions you want to grant to both users and groups. And by default, pipelines can only be seen by you. When you want to add users or groups, you can use this search function to search for users and groups, add them, and then determine what permissions you want to grant. Let's say we don't want marketing to be able to edit the pipeline that we're about to make. It's easy to do. We just unclick the right button and marketing team can still run your pipeline that you built for them, but they're not allowed to edit. So you get to maintain data governance in this step. Another way that StreamSets helps with data governance is fragments. And fragments are pieces and parts of pipelines that can be added to canvases to share elements across an organization with or without granting access to edit, further improving data governance. For example, we see here this fragment showing an aggregate step and an evaluator step. This one is a group by using address state, and this expression evaluator is adding 4 new fields into whatever pipeline this fragment could be used for. When the person or group or organization is ready to use this fragment, they can go into an existing or new pipeline. We're going to use an existing one because we have it ready. Open it up and add that fragment. Let's say these two processors didn't exist, or worse, they were incorrectly done by a team who maybe didn't understand which columns they needed to add successfully. You can add fragments like this, add them in, and connect them to a pipeline. As simple as that. You can see there's many different ways to incorporate data governance, and StreamSets can help with many elements of those. Another really great one I like to show off, because I'm a data engineer, is how we handle permissions. So if you go down to setup and then connections, you can see all the connections that we have as an organization, StreamSets, shared across our shared organization. This can be a really great and safe way to maintain and share connections to only the people and groups that need them, further improving data governance. Hopefully you can see and get a sense from these practices how StreamSets can help you.